Good day everyone, I'm Allisson Gutierrez, and now we are going to discuss about Introduction to Python and Computer Programming. Lesson 1. Understanding to the Compiler and Interpreter. This lesson tackles about compilation and interpretation. Computer programming is act of composing selected programming language elements. Computer programming effect is different in every specific case in order that can cause desired effect that could be different in every specific cases. Next one is, there are two ways to transform a program from high-level programming language to machine language. The two ways are compilation and interpretation. Compilation is process of converting a source code. Compilation is performed by a compiler. Compilation refers to the programming of converting source code written in a high-level programming language into machine code or a lower-level intermediate code. The next one is interpretation. Interpretation is process of executing a program. Interpretation is performed by an interpreter rather than a compiler. The next one is, we have here the advantages of compilation. Number 1 is, the execution of translated code is very faster. The next one is, only the user has to have the compiler and the end user may use the code without it. End user are the people who use applications, programs, or systems to carry out their task. The next one is disadvantages of compilation. Number 1 is, we may not be able to run your code immediately after any amendment. The second one is, you will have to have as many compilers as hardware platforms you want your code to be run on. In some cases, developers may use cross-compilers to generate for a different platforms that the one which the compiler is running. Next slide is the advantages of interpretation. Number 1 is, you can run your code as soon as you complete it. In interpretation, there is no additional phases of translation because the stages are designed to transform the high-level source code into machine code or an intermediate representation that can be executed by the target hardware. The next one is, interpretation can be ruined on computers by different machine languages. Interpreters are designed to understand and execute the source code directly. The code can be interpreted on different platforms without the need of recompilation. The next one is interpretation. Interpreted language often runs slower compared to compiled languages. Interpretation involves translating code into machine instructions during runtime, introducing overhead that can impact the performance. Question: why did the end user have to have the interpreter to run the code? Because the end user needs to have the appropriate interpreter installed on their machine to execute the code. The next one is Lesson 2. Introduction to Python Programming. And now, what is Python? Python is a widely used, interpreted, and high-level programming language. Python, it has dynamic semantics that is used for general-purpose programming. Python was created by Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum was born in Netherlands. Guido van Rossum has made significant contributions to the world of programming languages, and Python has become one of the most widely used and popular programming languages globally. Rosum leadership and vision have played a crucial role in Python design principles and its community-driven development process. Last page is Python goals. There are 4 Python goals and Gidevan defined his goals for Python in 1999. Number 1 is, it is easy and intuitive language just as powerful as the major competitors. Number 2 is open source so anyone can contribute to its development. Number 3 is understandable as plain in English. The last one is suitable for everyday tasks, allowing for short development tasks. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening, guys.